Hello, my name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video we are going to see how to add a prefix to a dataset. Okay, so before we begin our main topic, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all updates related to my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's get into this. Okay, so here I have already mentioned add prefix to the data set. Okay, so prefix means basically suppose let's say like your column name is items. Okay, and suppose if you want to make some changes to this column name, suppose if you want to make it as a new underscore items, or if you want to make something like outdated items or anything. Okay, suppose if you want to add anything at the beginning of your column name, is that we call it as a prefix. Okay, and now let's see like how to add the prefix to the data set. Okay, so first what we'll do is like we'll try to import pandas as pd, which is a usual step whenever we are trying to read the data set. Okay, and here what I will do is like data frame is equal to pd dot read underscore csv, and here I have already uploaded the data set by name data, which I have already uploaded into the Jupyter Anaconda Jupyter notebook. Okay, and now we'll try to run this particular cell, and now let's try to see the data set. So here you can see the data set id, diagnostic, radius underscore mean, texture underscore mean, perimeter underscore mean. Okay, and here you can see so many different types of columns. And now suppose if I want to change all the column names of the data set, means what I will do is like I will try to add some prefix to the data set. Okay, so now let's see like how to add the prefix to the data set. Okay, add prefix to data set. Okay, I will just try to mention in the comment. Now I will try to run this cell. Okay, now let's try to run some more cells. Okay, so now let's see, and what I will do is like I will try to add prefix df dot add underscore prefix. Okay, so in the bracket here you can mention anything which you want to add as a prefix. Okay, so what I will do is like I will just try to add new underscore to all the names of the column for this particular data set. Okay, so now if I try to run this particular cell, and now you can see the new underscore has been added to all the column names of the data set. So this is how you add the prefix to the data set. Okay, so here what you can do is like if you want to give some new name to the data frame, you can give it data frame 1 is equal to and now if you see the data frame 1, you can see the new underscore has been added to the all the column names of the data set. Okay, this is how you add the prefix to the data set. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.